Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is May 22nd, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. We have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 4.5 points right now. They're sitting at 27.37.5 per contract. All in all, the markets are higher ahead of the opening bell. We don't have a whole lot of activity out here, but we have some stocks in the news, and that's where we're going to focus our attention this morning. First one we're going to take a look at is going to be Toll Brothers, TOL. This stock is getting hit a little bit, closed at $43.63 yesterday. They reported earnings. Looks like the stock right now is trading down in reaction to the numbers, trading at right around $42 a share. So it's not a big decline. I will have gap levels ready to go should this come down a little bit more. So again, they'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. Next up, we want to take a look at KSS, which is Kohl Stores. There's another big department store. This is catching a pretty nice bid. Closed at $65.47. It's now trading at $69.30 this morning. Now, there's a lot of resistance going forward, but nonetheless, stock is higher, and it's a good, decent move here. So you want to respect it at least initially. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, just leave it alone. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see what kind of pattern we have on the charts. Next one we want to take a look at is going to be Pure Storage. PSTG is the ticker symbol. This is flash memory. Stock right now is trading at 22 bucks, closed at 23.58. So this is down ticking a little bit. I'll have levels for this ready to go as well. They'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room at 9 o'clock. And once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having just a blockbuster 2018, and you can trade right alongside of us. Next up, we want to take a look at TJX. TJX is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 86.50, closed at 84.70. So TJ Maxx trading up after their earnings announcement as well. A lot of resistance around $89 today should it get there, so keep that on the radar. But so far, TJ Maxx showing some strength here this morning. Let's take a look at Advanced Auto Parts. AAP is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 123.75, closed at 119.15. So this is a good little pop here for Advanced Auto Parts. We'll see if we can find some levels. I'm not seeing anything right off the bat just yet, but again, nice little move there for that name. Micron also getting a bid today. Micron trading at $59.54. This is on the back of an announcement that they will be doing a buyback. So Micron is higher here ahead of the opening bell. Let's take a look at Cracker Barrel. CBRL is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 156.75, closed at 158.83. So this is down ticking a little bit. Still a lot of support just underneath 151. So let's call it 150.90, 150.75, right around there. Still a lot of support for the stock. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. May I mind you that this is an equity that does not trade a million shares a day, so you got to be a little bit careful. Sometimes levels will overshoot because it is a very, very thin equity overall. So keep that on the radar today. Let's take a look at RTN, which is Raytheon. This is on the back of a downgrade. Looks like the stock is trading at $211, closed at $213.95. So this is definitely down ticking here this morning. I don't see anything that terrible here, but again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings today. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures trading up $2.50 at $1,293.40 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, which is good ETF, track the movement in gold, you'll see that's trading at 122.63 right over here. So again, gold is up a little bit. GLD up a tad bit here ahead of the opening bell. We can't make too much out of that one. Next up, you have crude oil this morning catching another bid, up about 21 cents to $72.56 a barrel. Crude continues to march on. If you take a look at the USO, there's a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil. You're going to see that this is trading at $14.67. All in all, this is holding up very, very well. And again, crude continues its winning ways. So again, we'll see how that plays out today. We'll look at this and other things once the opening bell rings. But again, we are in store for another higher open overall as the futures are trading up 4.25 points. And once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You could trade right alongside of us. We get any kind of volatility. We usually get an abundance of trades. If we don't, then we look for just a few winners a day that we're going to find. And again, 2018 has been a stellar year, and you can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.